In this video, I will share with you how you can cancel your Xsolla subscription. So if you want to cancel your subscription, follow me on this video guide. So let's get started. Go to Google search for this keyword, click on this website, the first website here. You will see this page. From this page, friends, you have simple form, as you can see here. Write your first name and write your email address. Write your transaction number. So friends, from this transaction number, write a simple message. So from this simple message, you can submit this ticket for cancellation. Write here, for example, hello dear support team. For example, I want to cancel my plan because write the reason for cancellation here, for example, expensive or something like this. So this is for the reason. Write your email address for the contact email subscription. This here for this email subscription, and then click send inquiry. So this is about cancellation. I hope this video can help for you. Just submit this one and then you can cancel successfully without any problem. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video.